Hello friends, in first lecture we have discussed regarding different formulae of trigonometry and I have given 10 formulae for trigonometry. In last period we have discussed some example on the basis of trigonometry. First formula, that is sin theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, cos means adjacent upon hypotenuse, tan means opposite upon adjacent, cot means adjacent upon opposite, sec means hypotenuse upon adjacent, and cosec means hypotenuse upon opposite side. Now in this lecture we are going to discuss one very important concept, that is how to find out the value of different trigonometric function for different value of theta, particularly for theta is equal to 45.
Trigonometric ratios of some specific angles. In this unit, you will learn about trigonometric ratios of 45 degree, trigonometric ratios of 30 degree and 60 degrees, trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree, tabulated form of values of trigonometric ratios of standard angles, and illustrative examples. Trigonometric ratios of standard angle. Here in triangle ABC, major angle B is equal to 90, right angle 90 degree. Angle A is an acute angle. Standard angles are 30 degree, 45 degree and 60 degrees. So here we are going to find out the value of the different trigonometric values for sine, cos and tan. Now let us find the trigonometric ratios of this angle. First, trigonometric ratios of 45 degree. Consider an isosceles right angle triangle ABC. It is isosceles triangle, so AB is equal to BC. So angle A and angle C are of 45 degree. Now where angle B is equal to 90 degree, if we take angle C is equal to 45 degree, then angle A is also 45 degree, because sum of the three angles of a triangle is 180 degree. Therefore, AB is equal to BC, because they are sides opposite to equal angles. Suppose AB is equal to BC is equal to 1 unit. Then how to find out the value of AC? Here we have to use Pythagoras principle. That is, AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square, where AC is hypotenuse and AB and BC are two sides of a right angle triangle. Therefore, AC square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square is equal to 1 plus 1. Therefore, AC square is equal to 2, and that's why AC is equal to under root 2. Now we know the value of three sides, 1, 1 and AC is equal to under root 2. So the given hypotenuse AC is equal to under root 2 units. Now consider the trigonometric ratios with respect to angle C. Here angle C is equal to 45 degree, B is equal to 90 degree and A is also 45. That is, angle C is equal to 45. Now, using the definition of the trigonometric ratios, define sine 45 is equal to side opposite to angle 45 upon hypotenuse. As you know, sine is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse. So E is equal to AB upon AC. AB is equal to 1 and AC is equal to under root 2. Therefore, sine 45 is equal to 1 upon under root 2. Similarly, let us find out value of cos 45. As you know, cos 45 is equal to side adjacent to angle 45 and upon hypotenuse. So E is equal to BC upon AC. The value of BC is 1, AC is 1 upon root 2, and that's why E is equal to 1 upon root 2. Therefore, the value of cos 45 degree is equal to 1 upon under root 2. Now we can also find the value of the tan 45. Tan 45 is equal to sine opposite to angle 45 upon side adjacent to 45. As you know, tan theta is equal to opposite upon adjacent. So is equal to AB upon BC. Is equal to 1 by 1. So the final answer is 1. Therefore, the value of tan 45 degree is equal to 1. So, cosec 45, as you know, it is 1 upon sine 45, and that's why the value is 1 upon under root 2 is equal to 2. Now, sec 45, as you know, it is inverse of cos 45. So 1 upon under root 2 is equal to under root 2. Similarly, cot 45 is equal to 1 upon tan 45 is equal to 1. As sine and cosec are inverse of each other, sec and cos are inverse of each other, and cot and tan are inverse of each other. So sine 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2, tan 45 is equal to 1. So, cosec theta is root 2 as inverse of sine 45. Secant means sec 45 is equal to root 2 as it is inverse of cos 45, and cot 45 is equal to 1 as it is a inverse of tan 45.
Let us see one animation for how to find out the value of different trigonometric function for different value of theta. The easy method to prepare a table showing different value of trigonometric functions for different value of theta.
Hi friends, in this video we are going to learn about the value of the different trigonometric ratios for different value of theta, that is 0 to 90 for sine, cos and tan for three trigonometric ratios. And for this, first of all, we have to create a table like this. In the first column, we have to write sine, cos and tan. And in second column, 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Now, first of all, for value of sine, for different value of angles, first of all write 0 to 4 in a order from 0 to 90 in a sine. Then divide each by 4. So 0 by 4 you get 0, 2 by 4 you get 1 by 2, 4 by 4 is equal to 1. Now find out the square root of each and every value. So under root 0 is equal to 0, therefore sin 0 is equal to 0. 1 by 4 square root is 1 by 2. Square root of 1 by 2 is 1 upon under root 2. Similarly, square root of 3 by 4 is equal to under root 3 by 2. And square root of 1 is equal to 1. Now, how to find out the value of the cos theta for different value of the theta? So cos 0 is equal to sin 90 is equal to 1. So write down the all number in reverse order in a cos. So cos 0 is equal to 1. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Cos 45 is equal to 1 upon root 2. And cos 60 is equal to sin 30 is equal to 1 by 2. And cos 90 is equal to 0. Now we know that tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. Therefore, the value of tan 0 is equal to 0. Value of tan 30 is equal to 1 by root 3. Similarly, 1 root 3 and infinity.